What's up, guys? Today a little video on the controls for this mobile crane, the 130. Again, with the devs and they're fucking changing, you know, the little icons. Before it used to say shift, now it shows an up arrow. Well, my keyboard says shift. You wouldn't, guess that an up arrow is going to be shift. So I figured I'd do some controls on this crane and show you how it works. So if we're holding shift and then we press O, that'll make all four outriggers come out. And then if we click on that little thing and that little thing, and then we come around here to the other side, you can see these are already out as well. Okay, now you're gonna hold shift and then it's gonna be F, and that's gonna push it down. Also, page up does airbags, so you can see the wheels lowering there, and then page down if you want to raise them up. So to lift the boom, you're gonna do Alt and 8, and then Alt and number 1, and this is the number pad. So Alt number 2 lowers it, number 8 raises it, Alt number 1 lowers it, Alt number 7 raises the hook. Now this is where I was getting fucked up. Shift and your normal numbers. So holding shift in and starting from 6 down, that'll be the first section. Continue to hold shift. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Now to retract that, you're just going to press Control, and then we could do 2, 3, 4, and 5, and finally 6. Alright, so what I did forget is boom swing from left to right. So holding Alt and using the number pad numbers, number 4 is going to swing it to the driver's side, and then number 6, using the number pad, is going to swing it to the passenger side. So that's the way the controls work for the crane.